Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. We just got a bit of a taste test today, guys. I've been to Iceland and I bought myself some chicken strips and I'm going to see which one I want for my tea. I've never had these before. You probably have. They look delicious and the reviews on the Iceland website, they're all getting big thumbs up on them. So let me show you what we got. So this is what we got, guys. 3 for a tenner. We've got a pakora, crunchy coated chicken strips, 100% chicken fillet, chicken breast fillet. I will put the ingredients on the screen for you. It's only got a 1 chilli on that one. They take 10 to 12 minutes in the air fryer, but obviously until they're cooked in it, you know what I mean? Let's open it up. Let's have a look at the pakora first. There I am. Quite a few in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. About 10 or 11 in the bag. That's the pakora, guys. So it's only going to be a quick in this. Now we'll do the sweet chilli. 100% breast chicken fillet again. Sweet chilli, crunchy coated chicken strips. Exactly the same ingredients and nutrition I'll put on the screen for you. Let's open them up. Do you know what? If these are any good, these would be nice, you know, in some... Ooh, they look nice. Oh, they look nice, them sweet chilli ones, look. Oh, oh, and they smell nice as well. Ooh, they'd probably be nice all on a wrap, wouldn't they? Bit of salad and all that stuff. Or on a naan wedge. And the tandoori, this one says new. I'm not presuming they're new. I think they've been out a while, ain't they? I've just never had them. They might be new, I'm not sure. You'll have to let me know. Same here, crunchy coated chicken strips. Ooh, a nice tandoori colour. They got a nice colour in them ones. They smell nice as well. Ooh, yes. Right, let's get the air fryer warmed up, guys. Get it on 180 degrees. 15 minutes, that should be plenty. Get it warmed up. Okay, that's warmed up. So we're going to get one of each in, guys. Pakora. Sweet chilli. And a tandoori. Get them in till they're cooked. Okay, guys, that's been in 11 minutes, well, 10 and a half. So that'll do us, because there's only a couple in here. So we've got the pakora one. We've got the sweet chilli one. And we got the tandoori one. There we go. And we're going to have a little bit of for a dip, which I do like. Minando chili jam. And have a bit of that, because you've got to have a dip on these, ain't you? Oh yeah. So let's get on the table, guys, and see which one I'm having for me dinner. Tea, whatever you call it. Okay. Which one should we start with? Let's start with the pakora one, guys. Turn it in half. There it is. I've just had a look. I haven't got any wraps. I'll have to go to the shop and get some. Let's try it without the dip first. They're still hot. Yeah. It's got a lovely pakora taste. Yeah, and the taste is coming through more now. Little bit of a chili kick. Not a lot. Just a little bit. We're going to see if these are worth keeping in the freezer, I suppose. Drink of water. We'll go on to the sweet chilli. I'll do the dip after. Boiling hot. You probably can't see anything there. It's all about the taste, guys, isn't it? It's all in the taste. sweet chilli. Nice sweet chilli, that's got a kick as well. Oh. Oh. Oh, this is going to be close, this is. I like both of them. That's got a kick. Now the tandoori, which I reckon will probably be Annat's favourite because she loves a bit of tandoori. A nice bit of chicken on that bit. Oh. Oh. Choices, guys. Choices. Oh, they're all good. Get a bit of dip on there. Bit of chilli dip. Chilli jam. That pakora, that's got a little kick. The sweet chilli. Which one would you have, guys, or which is your favourite if you've had them? That's nice with that chilli jam. I don't know which one to have. All of them. And the tandoori. You know, guys, I literally like them all. As for the winner, it's to everyone's preference, isn't it, really? My winner would be all of them. I'd have all of them again. I can't split them for me. I think they're all delicious. Definitely worth, I recommend, getting them for a tenner. Three bags for a tenner. Stick them in your freezer. If you can't be bothered to cook, get yourself some wraps and a bit of salad. Bit of yoghurt or something on there, or whatever sauces you want. And I think you're laughing. You can't go wrong. I'm going to have, for tea, I'm just going to have some wedges, because I've got no wraps in. Could go and get some, I suppose. Now, I'm going to have some wedges, I think, with some of these on the side, with some beans or something. That's what I think I'm going to have for tea. I'll get some wraps. I don't know yet. I'll work it out. But I don't know which one to have. I'm going to have a mixture, I think, of all three for my tea. I can't split them, guys. Let me know what one's your favourite. I can't really split them. The sweet chilli and the pakora ones, a little bit of a kick. The tandoori one hasn't really got a kick. But they're well worth getting. 3 for a tenner. Till the next time, guys. It's only one of them today. We'll see you later. I love them all. I love them all.